In a significant political shift, several prominent leaders of the National People's Party from Bhoi district formally joined the Congress party yesterday in Nongpo. The event was marked by a warm reception from Congress leaders who expressed optimism that the new members would bring valuable experience and dedication. Among those who switched allegiance from the NPP to Congress were Min Singh Makri, Lawrence Nongrum and Stoin Sinkley, along with other leaders and supporters. The welcoming ceremony was led by District Congress President M.G. Karshan Lor in the presence of State Mahila Congress Joplin Scott Shilla and other key Congress leaders.
Nisdang naga district headquarter jongi. Nisdang naga Nongpo block congress. Basashi simpan. Sashi simpan. Nginpin kiyem biang ya party congress. Kajingwan jongi ni ruang ba ki riu krau perkan. Kandai kumsi benda bandang penuan dur susu. Bandang ai mensim susu ya party congress.
The dream of the SSA teachers to be regular